recording.
Alright, here we are. Second video. First Saturday in April. Heading to Fontana Village. So far I've seen about 15 motorcycles and 50 Porsches. One state trooper who is definitely out to get a Porsche. If you're a Porsche owner and you're watching this, if a motorcycle is flashing his headlight and tapping his helmet, you might want to slow down. That doesn't mean accelerate. And if you got the ticket, well, it's on you because I gave you plenty of warning signs. This road is in need of pavement. It feels like they just repaved it and it's already time again. Yeah, this helmet is just way too loud. When I can't hear a Ducati Monster because the helmet wind noise is so loud, with earplugs in, there's a problem. I have a feeling I'm going to be throwing this video away also. It's just way too loud. I can barely hear the exhaust note. I can't hear the jingle jangle of the dry clutch banging around underneath me. I think I'll go motorcycle helmet shopping this evening. Alright, we're coming up to the stop sign. I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to catch y'all on the other side of the Fontana Village. Thanks for watching.